everybody. Okay, for those of you that have been watching my live view, I'll put a link down below anyway. You can see my system's totally rocking it. Even, you know, it's just rocking it. I think yesterday it was fully charged by 9:30 AM. Alright, now on my last camping trip where we parked the camper trailer in the shade, I proved the importance of a fold out solar panel. Even though you've got fixed solar panels on your ute and your camper trailer. Okay, if either of those get in the shade, then you need a fold out camper trailer, fold out solar panel, fold out camper trailer, a fold out solar panel. Well, camper trailers do fold out. Anyway, a fold out solar panel to lay on the ground to do the job. Now I got this old one down in the shed, and I've taken both wires straight through they're just soldered in there on the terminals. This is an solar panel. Okay, I had down the shed, monocrystalline. It works very well. On our last trip I had to use Silvios, which was two of these panels side by side, fold out, and this used to be a kit like that, but I pulled it apart a long time ago. Alright, what have I done? Okay, first of all, I bought one of these, a lot of people call them fake MPP solar charge controllers. I really don't care if it's fake or not. It says it'll take up to 50 volts input and output either 12 or 24 volts. And this is off an Australian seller. Okay, so what I do is, now why did I go for one of these? Basically because they're weatherproof. You can see it's just attached to this aluminium strip by elastic. And why have I done it that way instead of gluing it on the back? So when I put the leg up, okay, and put the solar panel out, this will swing down and swing away from the solar panel, alright, and stay a lot cooler for it. It's much better than having them glued to the back. This one actually had this PWM charge controller glued to the back like that. Solar panels, being black or dark blue or whatever colour they are, tend to get very hot in the sun. So I'm against mounting solar charge controllers to the back of solar panels, and I'm all in favour of mounting them on swing arms like this. Now I just had a bit of scrap aluminium. I just went with the existing holes. So, and I had a tiny little stainless steel hinge, and I had some stainless steel rivets. So I've got that riveted there and there. It doesn't need much, there's not much weight on it, you don't need much of a hinge. But what you do need it to do is to swing freely. Now I've got this piece of plastic under it right now because the elastic is all still wet. Alright, so that's got a cure, and when that cures I can wire it all up and we can have a look at the output of this 12 volt, it's a 12 volt panel. It'll do max open circuit at 23.4, battery at max power 19.44, almost 6 amps at a short circuit current, or max at 5.66. Let's see if this actually gives us a bit more, because according to the instructions that come with it, it'll actually take up to let's see where it is, up to 50 volts input anyway. So it'll just be interesting to see if it actually does, if it is a little MPPT charge controller or one of the clones. There are a lot of clones of these around. Time will tell. I think I paid about 20 bucks for the charge controller. It's completely sealed, completely waterproof, and it should not let any dust in, because my biggest problem is going, you can see this panel here, see all that red dust in it? Well, that got into that charge controller. That's got a lot of iron content in that dust, so that's not too good for these open type charge controllers. As a PWM charge controller, they're not bad. And even if this one only does turn out to be a PWM charge controller, the point of it is it's fully sealed. And that's my whole idea behind it. Okay, very important to have at least, because in the sun, you know, you might want to park in a bit of shade, and then you need to get your extended panel out. I've got 10 metres of cable rolled up just there, and I've got a 10-metre extension in the trailer, so this can go up to 20 metres away from my camp. Alright, I reckon it's pretty awesome. We'll see how it works tomorrow, because they say this takes 72 hours to set, this type of scholastic. So yeah, I'll come back tomorrow.